Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to rejoin a Discord server when banned. Step 1. Understand the ban. Before attempting to rejoin, it's important to know what type of ban you've received. Server ban, you've been banned from a specific server. Account ban, your Discord account has been banned by the server admin. IP ban, if the server admin has been banned your IP address, you won't be able to rejoin even with a new account. Step 2. Appeal in the ban preferred method. The best way to rejoin a server is to appeal the ban directly to the server admin or moderators. Contact the server admin. If you know the admin or moderator outside of Discord, reach out to them politely. Explain your situation, acknowledge any mistake, and request to be unbanned. For example, hi, I noticed I was banned from this server's name. I understand the rule may have been violated, and I sincerely apologize. I'd like to request another chance and promise to follow the rules moving forward. Thank you for considering my appeal. Or you can use social media or other platforms. Some servers have social media like Twitter or website where you can appeal bans. Look for a ban appeal form or contact method. Step 3. Create a new Discord account. Log out of your current Discord account and then create a new one. Go to Discord and sign up with a new email address. Use a different username to avoid being recognized. And then rejoin the server. Use the server's link to rejoin. If the invite link is no longer active, you will need to find someone in the server who can provide a new link. Next, step 4, change your IP address. You can restart your router or use a VPN. Download and install a reputable VPN like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and connect to a server in a different location to mask your address. Create a new account. Follow step 3 to create a new account and rejoin the server. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.